Let's get you details also in the national capital about the Chief Minister being sworn in just 2 days from now, finally putting an end to the suspense. The BJP Legislative Party meet will be held at the party's Delhi unit office this week. Meanwhile, cleaning of Yamuna has kicked off in the national capital. Sources say the name of the Delhi Chief Minister will be finalized in that Legislative Party meet on February 19th. And then the oath-taking will be on February 20th at the Grand Ram Leela Maidan. There are 3 contenders' names doing the rounds: Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood and Rekha Gupta. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Chief Ministers of NDA will come together. Union Ministers, industrialists from the corporate world, film stars have all been invited for the swearing-in ceremony. In fact, the BJP has now also extended an invite to slum dwellers and has said that this is our thank you to, in fact, the slum dwellers of the national capital for voting for the BJP. Delhi's caretaker Chief Minister Atish has criticised Prime Minister Modi for delaying the selection of the Delhi Chief Minister.
Ever since 2010, Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan has stood witness to the biggest political changes in the country, be it the beginning of India's anti-graft movement, India against corruption, or Arvind Kejriwal taking oath as Delhi Chief Minister back in 2013, 2015 and 2020. Today, in 2025, the Ram Leela Maidan will again stand witness to a big political change in Delhi's politics. The Bharatiya Janata Party has returned to Delhi's power nearly after 3 decades, and its Chief Minister will be taking oath at this very stage on 20th. What is to be noted out here that the preparations for a mega oath-taking ceremony is in full swings right now at the Ram Leela Maidan. The entire ground is being cleaned, labelled. You can see the trucks chipping in with all what is needed for a grand show on 20th of February. What we are given to understand that not only the celebrities are expected to be part of this oath-taking ceremony, to witness the oath-taking ceremony, but also different representation from different communities is being ensured by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the farmers from different parts of Delhi have been also invited for the grand show which will be put up on February 20th. However, the bigger question at this moment remains as to who will be Delhi's next Chief Minister. With video journalist Emmanuel, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Ram Leela ground.
इंडी नेतृत्व के निर्देशानुसार भारतीय जनता पार्टी का मुख्यमंत्री बहुत जल्दी दिल्ली को मिलने वाला है। दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत तेजी से विकास होने जा रहा है निश्चित तौर के ऊपर, और मीटिंग होगी उसके बाद मुख्यमंत्री आप सबके सामने होगा।
कुछ तय हो रहा है रामलीला मैदान में, आप देखकर भी आए हैं, कार्यक्रम की तैयारियां हो रही हैं, लोगों में उत्साह है, जोश है, हजारों की संख्या में लोग आएंगे ऐसी अपेक्षा है, और पूरा देश देखेगा। दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रचंड बहुमत की सरकार स्थापित होने जा रही है, और देश को भारतीय जनता पार्टी से जो उम्मीदें हैं दिल्ली के लिए, हम दिल्ली को एक विकसित दिल्ली बनाएंगे, विकसित भारत, विकसित दिल्ली का सपना पूरा होगा।
Meanwhile, work has kicked off in the Yamuna to combat pollution and clean up the filthy river. Trash, garbage and silt from the river stream has been removed to improve water quality, one of the topmost promises of the BJP.
After the Delhi LG VK Saxena conducted a high-level meeting with the officials for the cleanliness of Yamuna River, few machines are placed at various ghats of New Delhi at Yamuna River. But here at the ITO Ghat, there is no machine which has been placed yet. This ghat still awaits cleanliness. There have been several pictures and there have been several machines that have been put for the cleanliness of Yamuna, the desilting that is required. But this particular ghat, which is also known as the Chhat Puja Ghat, is still quite dirty. The last government has failed the promise to clean Yamuna, and that has been a biggest point, which also was one of the reasons why it lost the confidence of the people. Now we have to wait and watch that how long does the present government take to clean Yamuna. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Anurag Saxena for India Today from New Delhi.
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का ये कहना और जनतक तौर पर वीडियो पे कहना कि यमुना जी की सफाई से वोटें नहीं मिलती, इसका मतलब उनकी मानसिकता ये थी कि जिस चीज से मुझे वोट मिलती है मुझे वो काम करना है। और वो काम क्या था? अपने आप को अखबारों में फोटो लाके चिपकाना, रोज इश्तेहार देना, रोज टीवी पे चमकना और रोज झूठ बोलना। उनको लगता था सिर्फ इसी से वोट मिलती है। लेकिन मोदी जी में क्या अंतर है? मोदी जी कहते हैं लोगों का काम करके दिल जीतो, ये मोदी की गारंटी है।
मेरा ही मानना है कि जो चौंकाने वाले तथ्य उपराज्यपाल महोदय ने बताए हैं यमुना की सफाई को लेकर के, किस तरह से दिल्ली की सरकार ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाकर के स्टे लिया और जो कार्रवाई चल रही थी यमुना को साफ सुथरा बनाने की, उसके ऊपर रोक लगवाई। इसका मतलब इस सरकार, आम आदमी पार्टी का एजेंडा था ही नहीं दिल्ली का विकास, सिर्फ कामों को रोकना और उस पर जो है छीटाकशी करना और विवाद करना।